everyone, this is a very, very exciting video, and this is Caroline reminding you that you are always created beautifully. In the past, we're talking a lot about cleaning videos, and I have an unboxing. Here it is. I specifically bought this for my van because you can send your car to the detail shop and you can spend what, 150 all the way up to get it cleaned, and it's never cleaned the way you want it. I have 3 kids and they're running in and out. I like to have my friends riding in the same vehicle with me. So it has a lot of traction. I will put a clip here. Today I'm gonna do the unboxing, and then we're gonna put this bad boy to the test. So I purchased this from Costco and it was on sale, $69.99, which is an awesome price. I really cannot wait to try this out. This is the pet boosting. So I'm so glad that they give you these sample sizes, because on Amazon, these things go for like $12, $16, up to $24 for a full size. So I just want to try it out and see if it works. Right here is all about the accessories. We're gonna try those out. I'll show you what the actual machine looks like. It's kind of heavy. I don't know, I think it's like, what, 10 pounds, this thing? But I think it's easy, I'm gonna plug it up and we're gonna try it out doing my vehicle, doing my car. I am gonna go ahead and read it thoroughly so that I set this up correctly so that it's a good review for you. So it says it removes stains anywhere. It's a heat wave technology. Constant heat helps maintain the water temperature throughout the cleaning process. That's that part. I'm not sure what that is on the thing. And then trap pet messes. Keeps the mess out of your machine by trapping pet messes in the tool. Oh, so that's that big tool I first pulled out. Easy to store, yeah, it's a decent size. And then again, it gives me sample sizes of the spot and the stain formula. Hey everyone, so we unboxed it, and so here it is. So basically it came with this extra part to hold the hose. That's 1. 2, this part to hold the top of the hose. And attachment number 3 to hold the accessories, the other attachments. And then this part here to take care of where your cord is gonna go. Those parts you're gonna have to attach yourself. All right, next we're gonna go ahead and add the solution. Then I'm gonna take you guys outside and we're gonna put this bad boy to the test. What it says in the manual is just to lift up. This part is the dirty tank to collect all the dirty water. This is the part that we're gonna take care of right now, is we're gonna add the solution. When you add it, you can see the top here is where you put in all the water. See that they make it pretty easy for anybody. They have these marks for small area and large. We're gonna go for the large area. And it also tells you where the water level should be, and then when you continue to fill it with the solution. So the formula. So water formula. Added the water in right to where the line that says water, and now I am going to add in the solution. So it gave us 3 bottles, so spot and stain, so 2 spot and stains basically, and then this boost. Have a smell. Yes, it has a wonderful scent. I already used the whole bottle, but nope. So I'll show you again. As I added it, the level of course went up, and so I went right there. Now the boost, I'm gonna use 1/4 then. And I'm just gonna slide it right back in. Make sure to push it down. Let's go outside. I forgot to show you so there's 3 accessories that come with it, or 3 attachments. And this one is labeled the stain trapper. I'm not gonna use this today. If you're interested in seeing a video on just the stain trapper, comment below. Before I actually turn it on, it says in the manual to go ahead and spray it. So you want to spray 3 to 6 inches from the top with the solution first, and spraying it basically is just pressing down on this handle. So that's what you'll see me doing. And then I'm gonna let that sit here for 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and we'll see how the scrubbing and all that goes on. So this first step is just to spray it. Now what I'm gonna do is go through the scrubbing part of this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press down while holding the switch so the solution still continue to go on there, and I'm gonna go back. And so the first step is just continue to spray it, and we're gonna go back so the solution will continue to be rolling in there, and I'm pushing back. Then I'm gonna dry it properly with releasing this and just going down. Hi guys, this is Caroline, and I wanted to show you guys the final product. I am absolutely thrilled with the results. The solution worked great, got all the major stains out. If I had a chance to vacuum, you'll see some of this is just because of it needs to be vacuumed properly, but the stains have come out. It's absolutely gorgeous. I am so happy with how it turned out. Definitely a thumbs up for me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. All right, God bless you. Bye-bye. Record real quickly from the other side so that you can get a good look at it. Sun, though, is on this side, so it's a bit sticky for you to see. All right, thank you so much for watching. Up for me. Oh, look at that nail all tore back.